Hello students, today CRA Center of Learning is going to share an information with you. As you know, CRA Center of Learning provides you different services: IELTS, spoken English, interview preparation, education loan without collateral, tourist and study visa, and the last is work permit. So today we will share the information about the IELTS, as we have in IELTS a huge discount for you, that is 50% for each student. Plus we have individual attention for each student, as well as we have tips and tricks for each module to every student. For example, in writing module we have task 1 and task 2 tips, which is going to perform once in a week, and reading module के भी आपके once in a week tips perform होंगे, and the last is speaking module के भी आपके once in a week tips perform होंगे. The last is listening module, जिसके once in a week नहीं but once in a 15 days आपके tips perform होंगे. With the help of tips and tricks, you can score higher bands in your IELTS exam. Moreover, we have one free demo class also, as well as free counseling session also, जिसमें आप अपने doubts clear कर सकते हैं और अपनी जो भी queries हैं वो clear कर सकते हैं. So these are the results for the last month जो हमारे CRA Center of Learning ने achieve किए हैं. That is 7 bands in both reading and speaking. As you know, students face difficulty in reading module basically. So with the help of these tips and tricks, you can achieve 7 or more than that. Again, the next student got 7 band in reading module. Again, the 7 band in reading module, and overall is 6.5. With the help of tips and tricks in speaking, he got 8.5 band in speaking module, 8 band in listening module, and the last 8.5 in reading module. So if you also want to achieve the highest band in each module with the help of these tips and tricks, so please visit CRA Center of Learning. The address is mentioned below. Thank you.